Willie Lewis Brown Jr. is an American politician of the Democratic Party. Brown served over 30 years in the California State Assembly, spending 15 years as its Speaker. He later became mayor of San Francisco and was the first African American to hold that office. The San Francisco Chronicle called Brown one of San Francisco's most notable mayors, adding that he had celebrity beyond the city's boundaries. Born in Mineola, Texas, Brown graduated from San Francisco State University in 1955 and earned a J.D. from the University of California, Hastings College of the Law in 1958. He spent several years in private practice before being elected to the California Assembly in 1964 in his second attempt. Brown became the Democrats' whip in 1969 and then became Speaker in 1980. He was known for his ability to manage colleagues and maintain party discipline. According to the New York Times, Brown became one of the country's most powerful state legislators. His long tenure and powerful position were used as a focal point of the California ballot proposition to limit the terms of state legislators, which passed in 1990. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.